In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the font style when you choose to use text in a Premiere Pro video. So I have added text to my video, and I'd like to change it to Priori Sans. This is one of the fonts that you'll find on Messiah's visual identity, and so it just helps to keep that consistent brand image. So when you would like to edit properties for your text, first, just click on the text to highlight it in this box. Right-click and select Edit Properties. I'm going to drag this over so you can see it better. And you can see here is the text displayed. You can see it is the highlighted text because it says welcome, as does this text. If I scroll down, currently it is set to Tahoma. If I click on that, I can search for the fonts that I'm looking for. You may need to add fonts such as Priori to your Adobe fonts, and you can do that by clicking the Add Adobe Fonts icon. I have already done that, so I'm going to type in Priori, and I will select Sans OT Regular, and you can see that has changed my text. You can also change it from regular to light, bold, all of the different options that are available. You can also change the font size, so you can select this and drag it, and you can see that the fonts are changing. This is a great way to make sure that your text is aligned the way you would like it to be. But you can see that although now the text is centered within the box that it's in, it's not actually centered on the screen. But if you continue to scroll down and you go to Align, you can align it to be in the left, center, or right, and on the top, in the center vertically, or on the bottom. So I typically put fonts in the center, both horizontally and vertically. You can also see that if you wanted to change the appearance with the fill and the stroke, you have the option to do that there. So those are just a few ways that you can edit your fonts in Premiere Pro.